Hey everyone, this is Manjunath Ajinugara again. Today we are going to look at the new UI look to create a virtual machine. Azure has been upgraded its UI look to create a VM last Saturday. So we are going to look at the new view, and we're going to discuss regarding the difference between the old view and the new view. Here it is a pretty good view that have been changed. There were a few basic things that has been changed. First thing is they have moved the disks from basic tab to the disk tab. Initially we had 4 tabs, that is basics, size, settings and summary. Now it has been changed to basics, disks, networking, management, guest configuration and tags and review and create. Here which I like most is the browse images and disks. So if you want to deploy any direct images and the other things, we can directly click here and we can go ahead and select whatever the images we wanted. And if you have already selected an image, so here we can just go ahead, click and select that particular image whichever you have saved before. And here from subscription we can create a new resource group here. If you want to create, you can just click on here, or else we have a drop down to select from the old resource groups. And the availability option that has been moved from the settings to the basics here. And here we have images drop down. If you want to really go ahead and select from the marketplace, you can directly go here and select the OS from there. So as usual, administration part, that is administrator account part, is here as usual in the basics. And again the port settings that has been moved from settings to the basics. Now getting into the disks, so we have now premium, standard, SSD, and we have standard HDD. You can select whatever you want, and here only we can create a new disk and attach, or we can attach an existing disk here. In networking, again we are going to select the virtual network, subnets, public IPs and all other things. So add ports that I can just open it up, the ports whatever that I want. Here in guest setting we have extension that has been there in the settings part, that has been moved to guest settings. In the management we have monitoring, identity, auto shutdown and backup, which were there before in the settings. And we can even add the tags here, which was not there before. And we can review and create a VM from here. So if something is missing, it is going to show us a red dot on those tabs, whatever it is required. For example, if I will be missing something here in the passwords, so if I'll go to review and create, so it is going to show me the error here. So I have to go back to the basics and I have to provide my password here. So I can go ahead and review and create here. So here the important thing is, even though if you don't want to select the disks, networking, management, guest configuration, tags, you just have to provide the basic information and you can directly go ahead and create a VM from here. So the all other configuration, it is default and that has been configured already inside the Azure. So it is trying to deploy a virtual machine here, and it is going to show me this job, how it is running. Before it was not available. Once the job is submitted, we couldn't change or we couldn't cancel the job from the submission. So it is going to show me the resources which it is going to create. So we can see that the different networking and the storage parts has been deployed here. Now The next thing is it is going to create a VM for me. The advantage here, we can even download the JSON files here, which it is going to create, which is good for the automation. Also, we can see here the outputs and inputs and templates. So this is the advantage for us. So whenever we are trying to just use this template, we will get to know what kind of input it will be asking for, and these are the templates for the automation scripts. So it is for the parameters, and it is for CLI, PowerShell, .NET, Ruby, and we can just download this and we reconfigure it and we can deploy the same thing here. So these are the basic changes that has been updated from the Azure portal for the creating a new VM in the portal. Yeah, thank you.